The Starbucks at the Fairfield University bookstore is offering more than roasted coffee beans and espressos. A performance series called The Music Cafe is held every Friday night.
We have these Friday night MFA student readings, usually twice a semester. 10 to 12 of our students pick their about 5 minutes of the work and they read. It's great for them. They get a chance to read their work, to get a response from the audience, and they really enjoy it.
The MFA Creative Writing at Fairfield University is a low residency program that fosters students' writing skills and assists them on getting their work published.
I enjoy having a chance to read their work, because writers, the writing life is very lonely.
Benefits of doing evenings like this is that we get to hear one another's work in a different way, because hearing something read, like the poetry, like the novel pieces, like the memoir pieces, is you get to hear it in a voice that is authentically the author's.
Amanda dropped her look on the blue carpet, the ends spread before in supplication as if she were about to beg before the Almighty.
Some pieces tugged at the listener's emotions, while other pieces made the audience break into hysterical laughter.
Cocky and stupid with adrenaline flowing, I stood my ground and spit out. You better watch out or my dog will kill you. He started barking and jumping.
It was at that point, I guess, in my growth as a writer, where I really just went for trying to write something outside of my own perspective. Like a lot of people, their fiction kind of stems from like lived experiences that they went through and stuff. And you know, I'm a gay man, but I'm not 35, and I was actually like 24 when I wrote that story. But just like that idea of like, what is it like through someone else's perspective and jumping into someone else's shoes and seeing the world that way, I thought was, it's really changed my writing.
I bet his name's Jamie, Larry says, and points his straw toward the bleached blonde boy in a tight red Abercrombie shirt. I bet he has a coat problem. He's too skinny. Quit killing my fantasy. You really do need to get laid.
We've had 10 writers publish books in the last year, which is one of the things I'm very proud of.
I can't think of a piece that fell flat tonight. I think that everybody brought their A game to this reading. It's really nice to see some of the people who I knew when they started, and see where their work has evolved to. So that's a great feeling, is to see the evolution of the writer and have that evidence in a reading.
The evolution of the writer indeed, demonstrating creativity, skill, and growth. This is Abisola Ariwala, Sacred Heart University.